UPS.
So today we are unboxing APC backup UPS 1100 VA. So we have brought it from Amazon for 5,900 rupees. Just now we have unboxed it. Let's check it. What's inside the package? So they have given two covers to protect the UPS. There's a warranty card inside. So how do you feel the weight?
Approx 15 to 20 kgs.
Okay.
20 kgs.
So they have packed it in very well condition. There are two thermocols inside and they have packed vial with another case. And you can see how this one looks. And there are like 5 outputs. And these are all not spike supported. In this 2 or 3 are spike supported. And the remaining 2 are direct outlets. So let's check it. This one looks heavy, man.
Yes.
Toll-free number is also available. The customer service, and there's a website over there. So APC is well known for UPS. So just now we have connected the system. I have switched it on. So you can see the power button over there. So let's
It's showing charge status.
yes. Okay. So it's blinking. The monitor is switched on already. So let's switch on the UPS now. Okay, CPU.
GP.
So it's switching. I think the power fluctuation. You switch on it.
It takes some time, I think so.
Yes.
It should be
Success.
charged a little bit.
So now this is compatible with Xeon processor. That one is HP Z400. It's a huge machine with 600 watts of power output. So before we have tried a 600 VA UPS, but it didn't cope up with this system. So we have ordered this 1100 VA UPS. Now it's doing perfect. So let's check it for 1 or 2 days and we will make another review video and the features video of this. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for our channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.